Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to learn colors and numbers, and we're going to make this shape. Can you guess what shape this is? Yes, that's right, good job. It's a lion. We're going to make the lion shape, guys. But first, let's count how many colors we have. From the left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 colors. Let's name all the colors. The first one is turquoise. This is green. This is yellow. This is white. This is orange. This is pink. This color is purple. And lastly, this color is blue. Good job! Now let's make the lions. First I'm going to use the turquoise. Cool, we have the back part of the lion now. Great! Now let's make the front part, and I'm going to use yellow to do this. Cool! Here's a lion, guys. Let's make the lion eye. There you go. There it is. Here's a lion. Good job! Now let's put him out to the side. And I'm going to use green next to make the second lion. The back part. And I'm going to use white to make the front part. Very cool. Now I'm going to make the lion's eye. it is. Here's the second lion. Looks so cute. And he has green and white colors on him. Let's make the third lion, and we're going to use orange. There we go. And we're going to use pink next. Here's the lion's eye. And we have a second lion, a third lion, guys. And he has orange and pink on him. Next lion, we're going to use the purple. Cool. That is the back of the lion. And we're going to use blue to make the front of the lion. So cool, guys. Here's the front of the lion, and I'm going to put the back. There you go. Let's make the lion's eye. Cool, right? I'm going to put the lion out to the side. Okay guys, we finally have all 4 lions. Let's learn the colors one more time. This lion has turquoise and yellow on him. This lion has orange and pink on him. This lion has green and white on him. And this lion has purple and blue on him. Yay! Good job, guys! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!